My name is Sierra Flores and I am the Everyday Educator. Now, this video comes by request. I made a Spanish language video for parents and teaching them how it is that they can create an account and pair that account with that of their child so that they can see everything that's happening in Canvas, from their grades to their assignments to communicating with a teacher, looking at the calendar, etc. And so I made it all in Spanish. People that didn't speak Spanish couldn't understand it. So here I am today with the English version. And so to start, you are going to go to your school's Canvas website. And so that'll be a little bit different. For some people, it's their school's website. For others, it's their district. And so, but it'll be school or district name dot instructure.com/login/Canvas. Now, I'm going to type that into the description, so don't be alarmed if that's a lot and you didn't write it down. It's okay. So as you go to that website, it'll change based on what your district or school colors are. And so if it's your very first time, you're going to click on Parent of a Canvas User. Click here for an account. So click here for an account. And now you are going to type in your name, you're going to type in your email address, and you're going to create a password. And then you have to re-enter that password and make sure it's exactly the same. And of course, you have to agree to the terms and conditions. And we all know that we sit and read the terms and conditions from top to bottom. Everybody knows that. So the thing that parents get tricked on is the student pairing code. Now, if you click what is a pairing code, it'll take you to the Canvas website and it'll teach you exactly what it is. And then it'll give you a PDF version so that you can have directions on how you can do that. Or you can just watch my video and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So in order to get that pairing code, you are going to get it. You can get it from your teacher. Now, if you got it from the teacher, let's say you lost it, if it's a new teacher, they don't know how to give you the access code, the pairing code, you can get that yourself at home. And so tell your kid to log into Canvas, and then they are going to open up one of their Canvas classes, any one of them. And then after they're in one of their classes, they're going to click account. After they're in account, the next thing they will do is go to settings. After they're in their settings, they're going to go all the way down, 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 down to the bottom. And right here, it says pair with observer. You're going to click pair with observer. And this is the code. Click copy. And I just did Control C, but you can also just right click it and copy as well, either way. But then after that, you're going to come back here and you are going to paste in that code and click start participating. And then after you click start participating, then your account will be linked to that of your child and you will be able to see all the things that they see, including grades, including messages, including calendar events, to-do lists, assignments, tests, all of it. Now, if you have more than one child that is using Canvas, you just repeat the same exact process. The only difference is you're going to click add child and then you will repeat that process again. Have your kid go into one of their classes and let's see, I'm going to go to my dashboard here and pretend like I'm a totally different kid. Now let's say I'm like, I don't know, I'm like your middle child. Let's say I'm your middle child. So now I'm going to go in, I'm the middle child. I'm going to go to my account. I'm going to go to settings all the way to the bottom, pair with observer, and here we go. Copy my pairing code, and then you're going to paste it in and click start participating, and then you will now have multiple kids listed in your Canvas account. And so it was super, super quick. My Spanish video was super long and very detailed, but I mean, with this one, I'm giving you just the facts. You need to create an account and you need to get a pairing code, and that's it. Now, it's the same exact thing on iPad. For example, if you're doing this on an iPad or if you're doing it on a cell phone. with like a smart touchscreen. It's the same exact process, but it's just in the palm of your hand instead of typing it out. So please let me know below if you have any specific questions regarding Canvas, parents, pairing codes, students, access. Let me know if you have any questions or if you need any follow-up videos that I can create for you, because I want to make this as easy as possible for all of you to be able to access and be successful with. If this video helped you, if you liked it, please click like on it, share it with someone else you think it might help, but also don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next time.